Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you saw, I'm shooting a vlog. It's a day in my life where I do nonsense stuffs that I'm going to show it to you today. Yeah, so if you're interested, keep moving on with me. So for now I'm having breakfast. I'm having cereal. So I'm done with my breakfast now. So usually what I do in the morning is I write a to-do list, like what I have for my entire day. Like I will have prepared something mentally in my mind that I have to do this, I have to do that. So I will just jot it down and make a to-do list for a day. And usually I either do it in this or in this notebook. So here I do my to-do list, and here I write everything, like what I have to do, like what and all I have to shoot today, how I should shoot, yeah, all that. So now it's almost 10 a.m. and now I have a class from 10 to 11, and then I have from 11 to 12. So I'm gonna attend the two classes and then I will see you guys. Classes for now. I have another class left from 2 to 4, but now I'm gonna go take a shower and then we're gonna go shopping. I have some shoes and some regular flip-flops to buy. So we're gonna go to Bata now. I'm gonna go take a shower and then we're gonna go. So I will see. Hey guys, I took a shower. I'm ready now. So now we're gonna go to Bata. Let me show you my OOTD for today. So for my OOTD for today is I'm wearing this sweatshirt from H&M and I'm wearing this joggers from Gap and I have a mask. Now let's go. Back home, we did some grocery shopping and then we went to Bata, and in Bata I got 3 pairs of casual wear. Yeah, in Bata I got 3 pairs of casual wear, for like casual occasions or daily wear. And then I bought some grocery. Me and my mom went. It's the plan that we are gonna make burger today. Let's see how it goes. Now I'm gonna have lunch and then at 2 o'clock I have a class from 2 to 4, and then we're gonna get to making burger for evening. With lunch, I'm having some sweet here. I'm having sweet and I'm having class going on. Hi guys, so the last clip you saw was in the afternoon. So after that I had classes and then I was doing some work and everything, and now it's close to 6 p.m. and now we're gonna do the burger. So we're gonna make the aloo tikki or the patty first. So I have everything ready now. I'm just gonna mix it and yeah, come, let's do it. So now the patty is ready. Now I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is how it looks, and I'm gonna shut it now and keep it aside for a while, because now we're gonna go work out and then we're gonna eat. What a life. Okay, so now I'm gonna go work out and then I'm gonna take a shower and then we're gonna get to and then we are going to make the burger. Yes. So let's go and work out now. So for the workout, I do like a 16 to 20 minutes ka cardio. There's like songs playing and they do it and we have to do it with them. Yeah, that's what we do. I don't do, like, I don't do push-ups, squats and all. I just do normal cardio. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna go. Almost 8:40 p.m. I ate my burger, then was gossiping like one old woman and now we're gonna have some dinner. For dinner I will obviously have some curd rice and then yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope this was fun to watch. This vlog was very, very, very simple. It was nothing fancy. I usually spend my day like this itself. Usually in the evenings it's either I shoot or I do eating stuffs. Yeah, so usually it's shoot days only. I shoot in the evening most of the times because morning to around 5-4 I will have classes, so obviously I can't shoot then. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this content. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.